Good morning to everybody. Now we are going to see a topic about sports stars. Already I have given some examples about the sports star, women sports star. Already I have given. Now we are going to the lessons and we can see here. Okay, section 1. Each day is a new beginning. It has so much. It has so much to unfold, and I had the best day at school today. For everybody, each day is a new beginning only. Okay, so it has so much to unfold, and I had the best day at school today. So what she is telling means today is the best day for me at the school today. So cricket is something that I love. Cricket is something that I love. Mm, some others wish, okay, some will love chess, some will love carom, some will love cricket, badminton, everything, swimming, then wrestling, everything is having. Okay, so is cricket is something that I love. Today my teacher told us that we would be learning about a cricketer. His teacher told that today we are going to learn about a cricketer. I thought of Sachin, Virat Kohli, and many other male players in the Indian cricket team, but she introduced Mithali Dorai Raj. She thought that our teacher will introduce some of the male players, male Indian cricket players like Sachin, Virat Kohli, and Sheva Ashwin, everything. Okay, but she introduced Mithali Dorai Raj, an Indian cricketer and the captain of the Indian women's cricketer team in Test and One Day Internationals. ODIs means One Day Internationals. So, Mithali Dorai Rajan, Indian cricketer and the captain also, and the captain of the where Indian women's cricket team in Test also, in Test and one day internationals, that is ODIs. I never thought a woman could play cricket so well. What they thought is, I never thought a woman could play cricket so well. Yes, men will do everything, but women's we not having that much idea also. Okay, like that only. I never thought a woman could play cricket so well. It was why I have never let my little sister play cricket with me. It was why I have never let my her little sister play cricket with me. I would tell her, it's not for you. You had better play with girls. What they are telling, it's not for you. You had better play with your girls like that. However, I was taken by surprise. She was taken by surprise. When I learned that Mithali started to play the game at the age of 10. Mithali started to play the game at the age of what age? At 10. And that she was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. 10 she started to play the age of at the age of 17 she selected for the Indian team. Mithali lives in Hyderabad. Mithali, where he is living? He is living in Hyderabad. I was interested to learn that her mother tongue is Tamil. I was interested to learn mother tongue. What's the mother tongue is? What? Tamil. I felt very proud that she has been widely recognized and acknowledged because she is in Hyderabad and her mother tongue is what? Tamil. And I felt very proud that she has been widely recognized. Recognized means what? Known. Recognized means known. Acknowledged means what? Accepted. Acknowledged. Everything you have to accept it. That's the acknowledgement I have given you, but you have to do like that. Means what? You have to everything they have to accept it. And she was the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and the only woman cricketer to surpass the 6,000 run mark in ODIs. ODIs means already we have noted that one day internationals. So what means she was the highest run scorer. She only the highest run scorer in women's international cricket. Women's international cricket, and the only woman. She was the only woman cricketer to surpass the 6,000 run mark. 6,000. How much? 6,000 run mark in ODIs means one day international. Okay, one day international. After that, Mithali is the first player to score 7 consecutive. Mithali is the first player to score 7 consecutive. Consecutive means what? One after another. Consecutive means what? One after another. If it is, in fact, she is nicknamed Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. Nickname what? Tendulkar. Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. She is presently the all-time leading run scorer for Indian in all formats, including Test, ODIs, and T20s. Means the 2020 match. Okay. I would love to quote what Mithali had to say about this compliment. So his nickname is what? Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket, as she is presently the all-time she only the leading run scorer for India in all formats. All formats means what? Including the Test, ODIs, one day internationals, and T20 2020. I would love to quote what Mithali had to say about this compliment. She said, on the one hand, being compared to Sachin, on the one hand, being compared to where? Sachin. It's an absolute privilege. It's an absolute privilege means what? Honor. I do not think I have achieved even half of what he did for the country. Yeah, Sachin has did many things. Okay. So on the other, being a woman cricketer, being the woman cricketer, I want people to know me for my own identity. Own identity. Identity means what? Who, what a person is, or how a person is known. Identity means we are having one identity. That is, if we are having one name means you are the identity. That is okay. Pavitra means Pavitra. That is Kayal means Kayal. Like that. Okay. So what a person is or how a person is known, like that. Okay. I would rather not be compared to a male cricketer. I would not be compared to other male cricketer, like that he is telling. And she indeed is an inspiration. Inspiration means what? Here a person one looks up to. A person once looks up to. Inspiration to all of us. She actually started playing cricket with her brother. She actually started playing cricket with whom? Her brother. When she was young, she used to go with her father to the grounds where he practiced. When she was young, she used to go with her father to the grounds where he had to practice. She used to stand outside the ground. She will be used to stand outside the ground and return the ball when it came her way. And then they will be passing that balls and all. Okay, so he will pass the ball to her father. Thought it was a humble start. That will be the first start for her, and she managed to secure a name and a place for herself. He has to manage and secured for a name and a place for herself. Many of us think cricket is for men. Many of us think what? Cricket is for only men. But however, she broke the traditional barriers and proved that women are on par with many in every field. But she was the broke that traditional barriers and proved, she has been proved that women are on par with men in every field, each and every field. In men, women are also part, like that. He has been broke that traditional barriers and proved. He has been proved. The Government of India, in recognition of her contribution to cricket, conferred on her the Padma Shri Award. The Government of India, recognition of her contribution, what they are given means cricket conferred on her part, they are given as Padma Shri Award. What award? Padma Shri Award. And I forgot to mention about the recent achievement of our Indian women cricket team, Mithali Raj, and another woman player, Smriti Mandana, hit stylish half centuries, and India cruised to a comfortable 9-wicket victory. How many wicket? 9-wicket victory over where? South Africa in the second Women's T20 International. T20 means 2020 International on where? 23rd of February 2018. Mithali anchored the innings to perform with an unbeaten how much 76. Now that I am inspired by her and my attitude has changed, I certainly will be happy when my little sister follows. Her little sister also will follow her passion. Now glossary is recognize means what? Known. Acknowledge means accepted. Privilege, honor, consecutive, one after another, identity, who, what a person is or how a person is known, inspiration. Here a person one looks up to, passion, desire. Passion means what? Desire. Now the second section, Usha Rani. What about Usha Rani? Usha Rani is for what? It's been Copcom Kabaddi champion. Kabaddi champion rose from shanty town of Subedar Palaya in Yeshwantpur near Bangalore. Usha Rani where? In shanty town of Subedar Palaya in Yeshwantpur near Bangalore. Okay, it's a Kabaddi player. In Karnataka, Bangalore where? In Karnataka. Armed with the mother's unfulfilled. Unfulfilled means what? Unrealized. Dream to become an athlete. She became determined. Determined means willpower. Determined means our willpower. Okay, I will be achieve. I will be together like that. Determined and practiced kabaddi at the Kantira Stadium every morning. Kantira Stadium every month, daily, rain or shine. Okay, as a childhood, as a school child, she grew up watching kabaddi. As a school child, she will be watching the kabaddi at a club in front of her home and soon joined the club and started playing kabaddi at national level in sub-junior category. National level in what level category? Sub-junior. Whenever she was not playing, she was the source of support to her parents. She was not playing, but she was the source of support to her parents and others at home. She used to sell flowers of her daily living. She used to sell what? Flowers of her daily living, and she had to struggle all through her life until she got a job in the Karnataka State Police Force. She got a job in where? Karnataka State Police Force. She was selected as a police person for her excellence in sports. For what she was selected? For her excellence in sports, and was the youngest in the Karnataka State Police Women Kabaddi team. Karnataka State Police Women Kabaddi team. She was just 29 years old when she won a gold medal. She won a what medal? Gold medal in where? Kabaddi. She is much acclaimed for her riding skills in kabaddi. E.S. Samanth, sports officer at Karnataka State Police Sports Promotion Board, says, despite a well-paid job, Usha participated in national events every year. Usha will participate in national events every year without a miss. She won't miss any events. Okay. She is an expert in giving leads, riding opponents, and constantly playing a prominent role. Prominent means noticeable role in the Indian Kabaddi team. Usha Rani is now working and practicing every day to win the gold medal at the Asian Games in 2018. She has also become a role model to her brothers role model and sisters at home and other fellow sports person. Okay. The glossary is shanty town, a poor area. Shanty town means what area? A poor area. Unfulfilled, unrealized. Prominent, noticeable. Determined, well powered. Okay, the next one is section 3, a biography of PV Sindhu. This one everybody is known. Okay, the word badminton will instantly bring who? PV Sindhu in everyone's mind. Pursala Venkata Sindhu. PV means Pursala Venkata Sindhu is one of the two Indian badminton players to ever win a silver medal in 2017 Olympics. The other being Saina Nehwal, who has won a bronze medal in 2012 Olympics. Sindhu came to international attention when she broke into the top 20 of the BFW, that is Badminton World Federation. BFW means what? Badminton World Federation in September 2012 at the age of 17. She is one of the top 5 shuttlers in the women's singles category. That is what PV Sindhu is one of the two Indian badminton players to ever win a what silver medal in 2017 Olympics. She has won silver medal in 17 Olympics. The other being Saina Nehwal, who has won a what medal? Bronze in 2012 Olympics. Sindhu came to international attention when she broke into the top 20 of the BFW. She has broke into the top 20 of the BFW, means Badminton World Federation, in where September 12, 2012, at the age of 17. She started playing badminton at the age of 8. When she started playing badminton at the age of 8, though her parents were professional volleyball players. Her parents were what? Professional volleyball players. But Sindhu chose badminton over volleyball because she drew inspiration from the success of Pullela Gopichand, the 2011 All England Open badminton champion. His inspiration from the success of where Pullela Gopichand, 2011, an England Open badminton champion. Sindhu first learned the basics of the sport with the guidance of Mehboob All. She then joined the Pullela Gopichand Badminton Academy. Gopichand Badminton Academy. She has joined that. And while profiling Sindhu's career, a correspondent with the Hindu wrote. Correspondent means what? Reporter. Correspondent means what? Reporter. The fact that she reports on time. What? On time means the exact time. At the coaching camps daily on time. Okay, traveling a distance of 56 kilometers from her residence. From her house to the academy, how many kilometers? 56 kilometers she is traveling. On time she will come daily. It perhaps a reflection of her willingness. Perhaps a reflection of a willingness to fulfill her desire to be a good badminton player with the record of hard work and commitment. Hard work means sincere, we have to do hard work. Okay, commitment means what? Dedication. We have to do dedication. And Gopichand seconded this opinion. The most striking feature in Sindhu's game is her attitude and the never say die spirit. Despite PV Sindhu being busy with her training schedule and international tournaments, she managed to attend regular school until class 9, after which all her classes were through correspondence. She did balance both a passion as well as her academics, and she holds a bachelor's degree in commerce too. BCom also he has finished. Okay. After joining Gopichand Badminton Academy, Sindhu won several titles. What means she has won many awards as well as cash grants for her contribution, and among them, these 3 awards were conferred on her by the Indian government. What government? Indian government. That is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, the highest sporting honor of India 2016, and the Padma Shri, the 4th highest civilian award of India 2015. Civilian means ordinary people. And Arjuna Award is 2013. Arjuna Award is 2013. Okay, children, if you are having any doubt means you can ask. And few of the women's sports also I have been given some examples also. And you can go through the net and you can search if you are having it. If you are having some of the biography of the Indian women players. Okay, you can read these lessons twice, and you can read 1 or more times. You can understand this is very easy lesson. That is they are given only the sports stars. Okay, children, thank you much.